First, how to diagnose fan has problem. You go to the driver side and switch the ignition of the car, switch on the switch of the aircon, and as you can see fan is not working. Even I adjust the speed of the blower in the switch. Second step, I check the fuse of the aircon fan. I go to the location of the fuse box inside the hood in front of the driver's side. The reason why I check the fuse is maybe there is no voltage supply. I go to the fuse box, and I check the fuse. All fuse are good, especially of the fan of the aircon. So next step, I go to the passenger side where the fan is located, and especially the speed controller of the fan. I remove the socket and the controller to see have indication burnout, maybe due to short circuit, or too much voltage amp load. I cut the socket of the speed controller out, and I remove the controller out. I test the fan by directing the supply of the controller to test the fan is working or not. Just I suspected the fan conduct too much amp load, reason why the controller and socket burn out. I examined the fan controller inside. There is 2 thermal fuse, so I gave it to purchaser to buy it all item including the fan, controller and the socket. How to remove the socket of the fan. Just press it and pull it. How to remove fan. Just find latches and twist it counterclockwise shown in video. After 2 days the part is arrived in the socket, not available in the market. So I modified the socket, using pin clip fitted in the pin inside shown in the video. After the modified the pin into the socket, I tested it, and it's worked perfectly, without heating. I use shrinking tube insulator to secure the terminal to being short to each other. So I install it the controller and the shown in video how to remove it at install it both fan and the controller.